Remember the old school Pizza Hut restaurants? Guess what? They're bringing them back. We drove out to Hempstead, Texas, and visited this classic Pizza Hut. Check it out, bro. All my friends came in. They were like, what? Look at this place. It's like retro. It's even got the track lighting and everything. Walk up and you have your choice of booths and regular tables. Here's one for 6 that we're all going to sit at. It's going to be really nice. And is that a bar? There's a bar here with alcohol? It's crazy, right? Is that the way it was in the 80s? I think you got a pitcher of beer back then. You've just entered a television viewing area. Be prepared for sudden outbursts. Yeah, very nice. Oh, the classic red cups. Come on, you can't go wrong there. And the personal pan pizza. Here's one with the buffalo sauce, and then the meaty one with the pepperoni, I guess. And then a deep dish. Gosh, look at that. Cut me a piece. Let me take a look at this up close. Look at that. That looks amazing, okay? Well, you should eat it, Aaron. Put it in there. Oh, it was too hot, actually. And they still do takeout. It's just got all the classic things there. And, the service here at this Hempstead Pizza Hut Classic was amazing. They came and, took our order at the table. We got to pay. We got a doggy bag. I don't know what you call that. The takeaway box. And look at the crazy, throwback artwork they had on the walls. So cool. Everything here was just neat. The staff was super nice. Book it. Yeah, go read a book and you get a personal pan pizza, bro. Yeah, the Pizza Hut, Hempstead, Texas, so good. We're gonna totally come back here. Come on, you just can't go. You can't go wrong. Look for the Pizza Hut classic signs. They have a few of them out there. Woo! That was a lot of fun. Let's go back. Come on, I want to go back.